Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Tuesday. For some of you, it's Taco Tuesday or Trumpeters Tuesday. I'm making stuff up. Not tacos for us today. We'll get into that in a minute. Yesterday was kind of a trying day for me. We were supposed to have a contractor here to do a quick job. He showed up several hours late, and I'm just going to leave it there, which pushed all of my prep because I didn't want to be in the middle of separating eggs for the chocolate mousse or in the middle of putting that mousse together to answer the front door. All right. So, yes, I did the chocolate mousse. I'm not going to post this recipe. I'm not happy with the method. If you want me to, I'll repost the chocolate mousse I did a few months ago. That one I'll repost if you want me to. Just let me know. I'm not going to post this one. It's okay. This mousse, yeah. So, last night I prepared my sloppy joes and corn and red cabbage slaw. Yummy, yes. Great meal. I'll post them up. Yes, Robin likes the slaw a lot. Good. Tonight, I'm doing one of Robin's favorites, Egg Foo Young. I did this meal several months ago. This is another repeat from last year. What makes this Egg Foo Young yummy, because you can do a lot of things with Egg Foo Young, but what's really yummy about this particular recipe is the sauce. Yes. Let's get to it. Got some hardware. Basic hardware today. Of course, there's eggs. I'm going to be dicing up about a half of this red bell pepper. There's going to be diced onion, sliced and diced celery. I'm going to use, I have a leftover jalapeno, which I'll dice up. There's going to be mushrooms, again, diced. Everything's diced. Green onions, bean sprouts, kosher salt, white pepper. For the sauce is chicken stock, low sodium soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, some brown sugar, and some cornstarch for thickening. So there's all the goodies that I'm going to be putting into tonight's Egg Foo Young. Yes, Robin's got meetings all day. And she's got 2 meetings tonight. So I will have this ready for her when she gets home. Yes. All right, on this Tuesday, whether you're having tacos or not, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.